In this training, you're going to learn how to do a move-in. There's a couple of different ways to move somebody in. On the main screen, you can click Move In, click the unit they're wanting to move in, and hit Next. You can also go to the map, click the unit they're wanting to move into, and click Move In. On this customer, since I was showing them the unit and the price I gave them was our push rate, I'm going to go with it. So click Yes on push rate. Okay, this customer that I'm moving in is a new customer. So I'm going to click Add. However, if it was an existing customer, we would go to that customer's name and double click on it. So let's go ahead and add customer. Alright, the customer I'm moving in is Cookie Monster. He needed a unit. So I'm going to type his information in here. His address is 123 Sesame Street. New York, New York. And his phone number. And everyone needs an email address as well. So let's put alright. And everyone that rents has to have some form of ID, a federal or state ID. And he's going to need a driver's license, so let's put that on here, and the state would be New York. Now we also want to find out if the customer has a mobile phone and if they have an alternate on their account. So we can fill in that information. His alternate is Big Bird. And Big Bird's phone number is, alright. And here is also where you would take care of the gate code. And that would be a number that you worked out with them to put in the system for their gate code. So let's go ahead and click OK here. Do I want to add? Yes. Okay, and now we're into the move-in screen. Now this screen is pretty cool. There's some different things you can do from it. Let's see, right here, let's say that they came in today to go ahead and buy the unit, but they're not moving in until the 31st. You can change the lease date on here to start on the 31st. We email all of our invoices, so we click email here that we want. So when it comes time for the invoice, instead of printing it, it's going to email it to their system. If they're parking a vehicle in their unit, we can put the information in here. If they want auto bill pay, we can take care of that information from this screen. Now also on this screen we have marketing. That's really important because we want to know how they heard about us and you know, kind of some information on what drew them to our business, what they're in need of, so we can help future customers. So we're going to say that Cookie Monster heard about us from Big Bird. So that would be a referral. He looked at a couple different places, but liked ours. Yes, he's used self-storage before. I believe Cookie Monster is a male. He's going to be storing furniture in boxes because he's moving here. He's living within 2 to 3 miles of our facility. He is a homeowner, and he chose our facility because of how clean we are. Let's hit OK on that. Alright, it shows up here, the initial rent. As you can see, that's the prorated amount for the rest of this month. So we're going to go ahead and close that there. $22 admin fee that is charged. If he wants to pay for an additional month, we can take care of that here as well. Merchandise. Anytime a customer comes in, we want to see what other stuff they need. Since they're moving, they probably need boxes, they need bubble wrap, things such as that. So we go in here and let's say he needs some large boxes. He needs 3 of those. Since he's getting a unit, he probably needs a lock. So we're going to go ahead and put a lock on here. And he needs some tape. So let's go ahead and put him a tape gun and some tape on here. And click OK. Insurance. We have what's called PPWG. It's a very good insurance plan that has different tiers of coverage. No deductible, and upon talking with Cookie Monster and what he values his stuff at, he decided he wants the gold plan, which is $3,000 worth of coverage. So we're going to click on that and hit OK. So we've got his insurance on here, his merchandise, his admin fee, and his unit. Now, when Cookie Monster came in, I offered him the truck, a free local moving truck that he could use for a few hours. So since I offered him that, I'm going to come over here to select promotion, and I'm going to add that free truck rental with his move-in. So I clicked on it, and I'm going to hit OK, and then apply. So I've just applied the free truck rental for his unit. And as you could have seen in there, there's different types of things, specials that can be added to the unit. So I'm satisfied with this. I've talked to him about all the pricing and everything. He's happy with it. So let's go ahead and click Save. There we go. Are you sure you want to commit? Yes, I am sure. Okay, from here I'm going to print the lease and print the insurance information. I'm also going to take a payment. So once you click on that, please see the training on how to take a payment. And then I'm going to finish up here, and that's how you do a move-in. Thank you.